okay, so she says, oh, there's a bird in the house earlier, and it's only a little one, but we got out, it went out, it's left the house, and no it hasn't. Whoa! Come on, little fella, you can leave. I've opened all the doors up. Oh no, don't go in there. Oh, see, spiders I don't mind, because in theory I can crush them and kill them, but this little fella, I'm going to try and lock him in so that he has to go out this way. I was doing shit, I was working! Fuck's sake. Just get a cigarette. Literally just coming downstairs to go out for a cigarette, and that flew in my face. And I'm glad it didn't lash out, because it's only a little one. Where are you now? You're still in there. Birdie? 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 Whoa, 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 okay, alright. No. It's alright. That's my uniform. No, if you go left, yeah? If you go left, oh fucking hell, I'm gonna hurt it if it comes near me, and I don't want to. If you come this way, it's just behind that little crap piece of china. It's gonna shit everywhere as well. Oh dear. Hey, little fella. Okay, alright, he's on the laptop. This way. She said, oh, there was a bird in the house earlier. It was only a little one, it's a baby one, but we got it out. And then I come down and this thing goes right for me. And I'm like, no, that's the biggest moth ever. And it's not a moth. It's just at the back of that laptop. Come on, little fella. It's brown. I don't know what it is. I think it might be a sparrow or something. Now, ordinarily, I'd catch one of these and pick them up, but I think this one might be a baby. He's doing the whole I've gone absolutely still thing that birds do. I think it's a baby because you can't really see that from here, and I don't want to get any closer and scare it, but its feathers are all sort of downy. This is not what I want to deal with. It's not spiders, it's baby birds. So I'm going to go away and leave it now for a minute, because I can't leave the only thing we can do is leave these doors open and hope it goes, yeah, sure, and hope that. See, it's a lovely day out here, so I don't know why little birdie doesn't want to come out. And you can hear the main road right there, and the sun's really, really bright up there. But little birdie doesn't want to come out. Is he still here? Oh shit, it could be a she for all I know. It's still here. You can sort of hear Iron Maiden in the background because I obviously wasn't expecting to go. It's still there. Oh my god. Fuck's sake. A parrot. Oh my god. Just had one of those phone calls where oh, you little bastard. It's still there, it's not going away. She said there was a sort of like a cake case. There he is. God, it's only little. She said she got rid of it, it was out. Ugh. This isn't like a spider where I can flail about and crush it. I can't kill this. She said there was a cake case somewhere. Like a cake. Oh, I see it. Don't you fucking move, bird. Oh. God's sake, I've just woken up. No. Oh shit. No, don't come over here. No. Oh, fucking hell. Don't come over here, bird. He's... Oh, shit. Alright, very quietly and cool. House is going to be covered in shit now. Just get a can of Coke. Leave it be. Get this. Apparently you're supposed to catch it in this. Because it won't hurt it. In theory. But then what? How do you slide under that to get it outside? Things go mental. Look, if you just went fucking left like that much, you could get out of here. All the dragonflies and spiders are all crawling in now because of you, and I cannot hold the line on my own. What I'll do is oh, no. I'm not trying to hurt you. God. That window's slightly open so it can feel a breeze. Is that a sparrow? It's gonna shit over everything. Oh well. I'm going upstairs, bird. Whoa! No. No, that's expensive things. Oh, God. I'm going upstairs, bird.